are having trouble accessing your Zelle account and need to regain ownership, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, request a password reset for your Zelle account. Follow the instructions provided by your bank to create a new password. Step 3. Update your contact information. Ensure that your phone number and email address linked to your Zelle account are up to date. This will help in receiving verification codes and notifications. Step 4. Reinstall the Zelle app. If you're still experiencing issues, uninstall and then reinstall the Zelle app on your device. This can help clear any glitches that may be causing access problems. Step 5. Contact Zelle support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, reach out to Zelle's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with all necessary information to expedite the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to regain ownership of your Zelle account efficiently. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to seek additional help.